What's up guys, I'm Rex here, and today in this video we are going to unbox this new tripod which I received today from Daraz.pk, and it actually comes with the Bluetooth shutter with built-in level, and it comes also with aluminium legs. You can see all the specs right there. So all in all, it's a complete package for all the photography and videography, and the model number of this thing is DK3888, and it's compatible with iPhones and Android as well. So let's get started. So let's unbox this thing, see what inside the box. You can see this Daraz.pk orange packing. So this is how this box looks like. Typical box. You can see the specs and features are there in the box, and you can see the picture of the tripod there, the model number mentioned there. So all in all, it's a simple packing here. So let's check out the box there. So what inside the box? Oh my god, that guy jumped out, and you can see the tripod is wrapped in plastic. So this is how this thing looks like. So you can see this is wrapped in plastic. Yeah, it's a bit weighty here, but by this it looks great to me. I will remove this plastic. You can see the Bluetooth shutter right there, and I think it looks great. All in all, it's a complete thing if you want to do for photography and videography. The first impression of this thing looks great to me, not bad though. And we got this mobile stand right there, and you can just put your camera mobile right there. And then we got this new Bluetooth shutter, which will actually use this for video capturing and photography capturing. You can see, and it comes with this built-in cell battery, which will use this battery to use. And you can actually put this thing right there, just for the capturing as a button. This is how you can put this, and you are done. So the thing is fully extended right now. The tripod is fully extended, and you can see all the legs are extended, and we got this head right there which will be movable easily, but the build quality is so bad. It's made of plastic, and moving towards our side, everything, you got the level right there, and here towards the legs you can see these buttons which can fix your legs if you want to extend it fully. So you have to fix these buttons if you want to make it stability. For stability, you can see. And then we got this upper side of the things. Yeah, I'm talking about this level, a built-in level which will actually use the stability and balancement of your tripod side. And then we got this stops wheel right there. This wheel can just fix your position of the head. So all in all, this looks great to me. The legs are extended, and this head is fully extendable and movable as well. You can actually move this about 360 degree. So it's really helpful in videography for motion and sliding effects. So when it comes to my opinions and impression, this thing looks great to me. Not bad though, but the build quality is so bad that it's not that durable. It's made of plastic. The legs are aluminium, by the way, and also you got some good stuff right there like the Bluetooth shutter, built-in level as well. So it's great. So the price of this tripod is about 900 PKR. It's available on the Daraz.pk. You can easily purchase right there. And now I will be using this tripod for my videography and photography as a daily driver. So this is about this tripod, and see you again. Peace out.